Good day, sir. I'm John Lloyd Molina from ICT12B. I'm going to show you how to set up DHCP in Windows Server 2008 R2. DHCP server is a network server that automatically provides and assigns IP addresses, default gateways, and other network parameters to client devices. It relies on the standard protocol known as Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol or DHCP to respond to broadcast queries by clients. A DHCP server automatically sends the required network parameters for clients to properly communicate on the network. Without it, the network administrator has to manually set up every client that joins the network, which can be cumbersome, especially in large networks. DHCP servers usually assign each client with a unique dynamic IP address, which changes when the client's lease for that IP address has expired. Procedure on how to set up DHCP in Windows Server 2008 R2. To get started, fire up the Server Manager, right-click on the roles, and then select Add Roles. You will be prompted with the normal before you begin screen, and after clicking next you'll be able to choose DHCP server. Next, you'll want to select the network connection to bind the DHCP protocol to. Put in the IP address of your DNS server, which in this case is the same machine, but be careful not to put the loopback address 127.0.0.1 as this will be the address your clients will go to for name or resolution. Click next again to skip the WINS setup. This will bring you to creating a DHCP scope where you can click the add button. Now you need to give your scope a name, enter the first address that you want available to clients to use, enter the last address that you want available to clients to use, enter the subnet mask, usually 255.255.255.0, enter the IP address of your default gateway, usually your router IP at point 1. Once you have clicked on OK, you can click next 4 times to get to the confirmation screen where you can finally click install. Once the installation is complete, your DHCP will be functioning and you can start managing your DHCP server right away. How to set up DHCP in Windows Server 2008 R2.